Emma. How's your morning going?
Hey, John. It's going pretty well. I feel a little sleepy, but in a good way.
Yeah, I know that feeling. Sleepy, but calm.
Exactly. I had a slow morning today.
Nice. By the way, hi everyone. My name is John. I'm from the United States, and I'm happy you're here with us.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma. I'm also from the U.S. We're friends, and we talk in simple, real English to help you learn.
Yes, we speak slowly, clearly, and naturally.
So you can relax, take a breath, and enjoy the conversation.
Today's topic is very simple, but very important.
Yes, today we're talking about your day.
This is something people do all the time.
With friends, with family, with coworkers.
Even with strangers sometimes.
True.
So, Emma, let me ask you, how was your day today?
My day was pretty good. Not exciting, but nice.
That sounds good already. What did you do?
Well, I woke up at about 7.
Oh, wow. That's early.
Yeah, I'm trying to wake up earlier. It's hard.
I understand. My bed always says, stay with me.
Yes, my bed talks too.
So you woke up at 7, then what?
I made coffee first. Very important.
Very, very important.
I sat by the window. I drank my coffee slowly. I checked my phone.
Nice. That sounds peaceful.
It was. Then I took a shower and got ready for the day.
Did you work today?
Yes, I worked from home. I answered emails. I had one meeting.
Just one? Lucky.
Yeah, it was short too. After that, I took a short walk outside.
Oh, I like that. How was the weather?
It was sunny, a little cool, but nice.
That's perfect walking weather.
Yes, I listened to music and just walked.
Sounds like a good day so far.
What about you, John? How was your day?
My day was okay. A little busy.
Busy days can be tiring.
Yeah, I woke up late today.
Oh no.
Yeah, I looked at the clock and thought, oops.
That's never a good feeling.
Not at all. I rushed. I didn't eat breakfast.
Oh no, that's sad.
I know. I was hungry all morning.
What did you do for work?
I went to the office today. I had many meetings.
That sounds stressful.
A little, but some meetings were good. We talked, we shared ideas.
That's nice.
After work, I stopped at a small restaurant.
To eat, finally.
Yes, I got a sandwich and soup.
Yum.
It made my day better.
Food helps everything.
You know, talking about your day is very useful in English.
Yes, it's one of the first things people learn.
Like asking, how was your day?
Or saying, my day was good, or my day was busy.
Or even, my day was not great.
That's okay too.
Yes, not every day is perfect.
And you don't need big, difficult words.
Simple words are enough.
Like good, bad, busy, tired, happy.
Or relaxed, stressed, excited.
Let's give some examples.
Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead.
Today was busy. I worked a lot. Now I'm tired.
Perfect. Very clear.
Your turn.
My day was nice. I walked outside and drank coffee. I feel relaxed.
That's great English.
Thank you.
You can also talk about feelings.
Yes, feelings are important.
Like, I feel happy, or I feel tired.
Or I feel a little stressed.
And you can say why.
For example, I feel tired because I worked a lot.
Or, I feel happy because I talked with a friend.
That's a good reason.
Yes.
Do you talk about your day with anyone?
Yeah, I talk with my family in the evening.
Me too. I usually call my mom.
What does she ask you?
She always asks, how was your day, Emma?
Moms always ask that.
Always.
And I tell her small things.
Small things are good.
Yes, like what I ate, or how the weather was.
Or who you talk to.
Exactly.
Talking about your day helps you connect with people.
And it helps you practice English.
Two good things at the same time.
If you're learning English, try this every day.
At night, ask yourself,
How was my day?
and answer in English.
Even 1 or 2 sentences is great.
You can say it out loud.
Or write it down.
Or tell a friend.
Or tell us.
Yes, we're listening.
Let's practice together now.
Good idea.
Repeat after me, slowly.
Today was.
Good.
Today was.
Good.
I worked.
And now I am tired.
Great job.
Very good. You know, Emma, even simple days are important.
I agree. Not every day needs to be exciting.
Some days are just quiet.
And quiet days are nice too.
Yes, they help us rest.
And think.
And feel grateful.
Talking about your day helps you see those things.
That's a nice thought.
Thank you.
So, to everyone watching,
Don't worry about perfect English.
just talk.
Use simple words.
Speak slowly.
And be yourself.
Your day is worth sharing.
And your English will grow little by little.
Before we go, let me ask one last question.
Okay.
How do you feel right now?
I feel calm and happy.
Me too. Talking with you makes my day better.
Same here.
And talking with all of you makes our day better too.
Thank you for listening and learning with us.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And keep talking about your day in English.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.